In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a registration and login page in WordPress for free. We'll do this using the site editor and a built-in block, so there's nothing extra to install and no added cost. Start by signing in to your WordPress dashboard. Open the site editor and load your home template. Working in a template is helpful because if you place the login element in a shared area like the header or footer, it can show across your entire site without repeating the work on every page. With the editor open, click the block inserter, the plus icon, and use the search field. Type login, then choose the block called Login Out. Click where you want it to appear, and the block will drop in. This block is smart. When someone is logged out, it shows a login link. When they're logged in, it switches to a log out link automatically. With the block selected, open its settings panel and change the label text to something clearer, like Subscriber Login. This only changes the visible text. The underlying function stays the same. You can also adjust alignment or style to match your theme so it looks native to your design. If you want the link in more than one place, say both your header and your footer, repeat the same action and insert another login out block in the second location. Keeping it in consistent, high-visibility areas makes it easier for visitors to find. When you're done placing it, preview the result. Use View Site to open a live preview and confirm the link appears where you expect. Logged out visitors will see options to log in and, if registration is enabled on your site, to create an account. Logged in users will instead see a log out link. This means you've effectively provided both login and registration entry points without any extra tools. Head back to the editor, click Save to commit your changes, and then launch to publish them so they're live for your visitors. A few quick tips to make this feel polished. Place the link where it's easy to find, ideally in a consistent spot like the main navigation or footer. Keep the label clear and action-oriented so visitors immediately understand it. Test on both desktop and mobile to ensure it's visible and easy to tap. Finally, view your site once while logged out and once while logged in to confirm the link switches between login and logout as expected. That's it. You've added a free built-in registration and login experience to your WordPress site, no plugins required. Save,